I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to hide the app names on your Apple iPhone or iPad, and also how to make your app icons bigger at the same time. And to be clear, this process will do both at the same time, and you're not able to do either separately. Also, this option will only be available if you're using iOS 26 or newer on your Apple device. Step 1. Press a finger against an open space on your iPhone or iPad home screen until your apps start to shake. Step 2. Tap Edit on this screen. A menu opens. Step 3. Tap Customize. A Customize menu pops up on this screen. Step 4. Tap the icon featuring a small box next to a larger box in the top corner of this menu until the larger box is shaded. Your app names will automatically be hidden and your icons will be slightly larger. You can change your icons back to normal at any time by tapping that icon again until the smaller box is shaded. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.